Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Regional Food Reviews. Today we are here in Evanston, Wyoming, visiting Jody's Diner. And no spoilers, but this is a real gem. We're posting the menu here. Feel free to pause it if you want to look at the entire menu. It's quite a big menu. They serve breakfast all day. They also have lunch and dinner options. And we got here at about 9:30 on a Sunday morning, and it was packed. We got the last table available, and we were feeling some breakfast vibes today. So we both went with breakfast. I ordered what is known as the very delicious burrito. It's a breakfast burrito with eggs, sausage, onions, smothered in a Colorado chili sauce, which is very popular out here in the Southwest, and some cheese. We also did a side of the biscuits and gravy, as you can see there. And my date got the corned beef hash with some eggs and hash browns. And we're going to be sampling all of this food here. So starting off, biscuits and gravy. You can tell these are homemade from scratch every day. They were so flaky, moist, tender, delicious, and the gravy was very flavorful. I'm giving these biscuits and gravy a 10 out of 10. Okay, now we're going in for a bite of the corned beef hash. And it was delicious. It was just like I remember it as a kid growing up in Michigan.
Just like I remember it.
Delicious corned beef hash. Now we're going in for the very delicious burrito. As you can see, plenty of filling. Eggs, sausage, onions, Colorado sauce, melted cheese, sour cream. Everything you want in a breakfast burrito. All in one bite. Hash browns were delicious. Golden brown, crispy on the outside. And nice and soft on the inside. Just a great griddled hash browns. You can't beat it. It was delicious. Another shot of the biscuits and gravy there. So perfect. So here's what the table looked like. We had a nice assortment of condiments, ketchup, syrup, hot sauces, salt, pepper, sugar, the whole 9 yards. Perfect diner setup for sure. I gotta say, everything here was delicious. The biscuits were a 10 out of 10 for sure. The burrito, definitely a 9 out of 10. It was delicious. Corned beef hash, 9 out of 10. The whole atmosphere, 9 out of 10. It was a great little place here in the mountains, here in southwestern Wyoming. Stick around for some bonus footage of the town. And enjoy, guys. Again, thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe. Any support helps. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time on Regional Food Reviews.